In this video, I'll show you how to change your Roblox profile picture. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And make sure you watch this video right until the end to know the full steps. Now, it is important to note at the moment you can only go and change your profile picture on your mobile device. So if you usually go and play Roblox on your desktop computer or your console or whatever, you will need to go and do this on your mobile device. So you need to go and download the Roblox app and then go and open it up. And now let's go and hop into my phone right now. So here we are on Roblox on my phone, and let's go and get into changing your profile picture. Another thing that's really important to note is that not everyone is going to be able to go and change their profile picture. The update is still rolling out. For example, on one of my accounts, I can go and do this. On my other main account, I can't. So I'm currently on my old account showing you guys how to do this. So all you want to do is come onto the mobile app and then go to the bottom of the Roblox app to where you've got this navigation bar, and then in the middle of this you're going to go and see your Roblox face. All you need to do is go and tap on it just like so, and it's going to go and take you to the avatar page. And then as you can see at the bottom it goes and says edit profile picture. However, on my main account I'll show you a screenshot right now, so you will need to wait a bit longer for the update to go and roll out. And then all you need to do is go into one edit profile picture just like so, and as you can see you can go and choose an emote to pose your avatar. So I could go for this one here, and then it's going to go and pose, and there's more options as well. And then all you need to do is go and press next, and then you can go and choose the zoom and also the rotation as well. So you'd be really zoomed out, or you could go and be really zoomed in, and then go and press next again. And then you can go and view your full avatar, or you can go and tap save, and then it's going to go and be updated. And then come to the home page and refresh Roblox by dragging down. And then as you can see in the bottom of my navigation bar, my profile picture and avatar has now changed. You can see it at the bottom and also in the top left below home. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.